Did you know you can take an applique design from the Luminaire and bring it over to the Brothers ScanNCut and turn it into a cut file? Let me show you with these few easy steps. First, I'm going to put my USB in the side of the machine. Click on Embroidery. Go into the Embroidery section and look for some of the applique files. Let's try this tree. It has a lot of cutting steps. Click Memory. Save it to my USB. Remove my USB and take it over to the ScanNCut. From here, we're going to retrieve data. Click on USB. This is the file folder, and there's our tree. It shows it here. Click the flower icon, and then click OK. And there are all the steps to cut this tree out.